The name of our hula is Nani Heʻeia, and it was a mele that was composed by Kumu Hula, Manu Boyd, and it was selected specifically because this year we have the honor of lifting up, the life's work of Manu Boyd, because my halau moved to the Heʻeia area, and from where we practice and we look out, we have this vista from Mauka to Makai of beautiful things. His mele seemed like the perfect thing to teach my halau, and also at the same time, honor this great composer. The song Nani Heʻeia takes us from Mauka up in Ha'iku, in a place called Waipao, and it honors the glorious growth there of native forest. And it takes us down to Iole Ka'a, which is an amazing place in itself where the fern of Hi'iaka, Pala'a fern, grows. And so he writes that into the mele as well. Manu also shares about headed down lower into the Makai areas, and he celebrates Pai Pai o Heʻeia, which is this amazing push, Native Hawaiian push to reinvigorate the lokoi'a of Hawaii with the fish ponds. Manu also calls out the beautiful, beautiful way that the kupa of the aina, that the kupuna shares with their ohana, and how that beautiful kind of country, old style lifestyle is still being lived today in that beautiful, beautiful way. And so within that mele, he weaves these things in the style of living off of the reef with the fishes with their tails flipping in the air. The papa'i and the crabs, he weaves that into his mele as well. And so for us, it's a real honor to be able to take this beautiful mele, and at the same time, our viewing audience will be able to see Manu's choreography that he shared with us. After being asked to participate, I called Manu. Manu said, "I'd love to share the mele with you." And then he came down to halau, and he actually taught us the hula. And so we feel like this is going to be a really special moment for us to share with everyone who will be viewing our performance.